So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your laptop, your desktop or your computer as a hotspot to connect to other devices. So let's start. You come to your Wi-Fi connection here, then you come to hotspot. Come to hotspot down here, hotspot. Once you on the hotspot, then you right click on the hotspot like this, and then go to settings. Go to settings. Go to settings. It doesn't make sense, but go to settings. Then you click, and then when you come okay, so let's see. Just want to so when you come to go to settings, you see the name of your network, which is the computer hotspot, right? And then you also see the password, the name, you will see your password, your network password, right here. Just trying to zoom back. Okay, you see it right here. All the things will be here. Your network, your hotspot password will be here. The number of these devices that are connected to will be here. This is where you see it. This is where you see your settings. You see your password, the network name, and then you can connect with other devices right there. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. The link in the comment section, you can click on it to subscribe and then also share. Thank you.